This particular video is to show you how to work the knit two together, which is a right-leaning single decrease, also known as the K2tog.
Knitting two stitches together is exactly as the name suggests, knitting two stitches together. So instead of going into the first stitch on the left-hand needle, we're actually going to go into the second stitch and the first stitch in exactly the same way as just knitting an ordinary stitch. So we're still going to bring the tip of the right needle round to the left-hand side of both of those stitches. Can you see it's right nestling in there? And then we're going to go into both stitches together, which is where the together part of the name comes from. We're still going to wrap our yarn around the right hand needle anti-clockwise as always, still give it a tug, still pop it back through the way it came in, but can you see I'm drawing that new loop of yarn through both of the original stitches, and the last stage, as you might guess, is just slipping those two original stitches off the needle. If we look at that in closer detail, you can see that the left-hand stitch is sitting slightly on top of the right-hand stitch. That gives it the effect of leaning slightly over to the right-hand side. So the knit two together, therefore, is a right-leaning single decrease, and we've made two stitches into one.
That's it. One fewer stitches in your work. That's the K2tog.